Welcome back. Today we are taking a look at 6 of the latest Kaido House releases, ranging from JDM icons to a special Larry Chen collaboration. Let's start with the Nissan Skyline GT-R R33, and the white and blue color combination works beautifully together. Under the hood is a nicely detailed engine bay, while the bucket seats and roll cage complete the race car feel. Next is the Skyline GT-R R34, finished in gunmetal, with a clean understated look. It shows off the signature boxy skyline proportion perfectly, the Grady style front bumper, rear wing and deep dish wheels give it plenty of attitude. Moving on to the Silvia S13, and this is easily one of my favorite. The white, red and black color combination give it a proper circuit inspired look. Opening the hood reveals another nicely detailed engine bay, while the front lip, rear wing and bucket seats complete the build. Next up is the Honda Civic EF Manga. The manga-inspired graphic make it one of the most unique releases in the lineup. The roll cage, the deep dish wheels, and detailed engine bay all adds to its race-inspired character. Now onto the classic Datsun 510. This is one of those timeless JDM icons that never gets old. The lowered stance, the flare arches, and detailed engine bay give it plenty of vintage race style. Last but definitely not least is the BMW M3 by Larry Chen. Before even opening the box, the packaging already stands out with Larry Chen photography. The iconic 7-Eleven inspired livery looks fantastic, making this one of the standout releases in the lineup. Another solid lineup from Kaido House with plenty for collectors to enjoy. Let me know your favorite in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.